Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. Today we are going to basically do one English listening practice because I uploaded multiple videos on speaking. So in this video basically I'm going to listen myself like what are the things which I have spoken, because I don't know multiple times where uh, what I am speaking, but still I try to basically upload and speak in front of videos because that is what most important. So let's see one video which I already uploaded. This one I'm going to choose.
Hi
And
everyone, welcome.
just hold a second. I'm going to start it from where I have started speaking on English, like cue card.
Manage my college a part-time job where I 4 to 5 months I in college and once you've done the practice of English language. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So it was a time around 2019 when I was uh, enrolled myself in college, and after completing like 4 to 5 months I was looking for a part-time job where I can basically manage my college expense by myself because I'm a undergraduate person and I want to basically manage my expense myself. So I just got a suggestion from one of my friend that there is some sort of vacant position in one call center basically where I just got selected, and it was a basically a project based job where I worked around 6 months, and after completing my college I went there basically after completing my college in a day I just went there for like 5 to 6 hours and just completing my job as well, and that is basically about providing information to the customers regarding meeting or any updates we need to provide to customer, and for that we get paid. So it was a very a great experience because in college life if you just doing both things, that is very good for your future. So that is how I prepared, and I just save some sort of money by myself, and if I need some sort of things I can bought it by working, and along with that I'm focused enough to basically do my studies along with that because if you are didn't have any sort of things nowadays, if you don't have the market knowledge, so after completing your graduation you cannot able to get any kind of job. So it is also helped me to get some sort of job in after completing my graduation, and the part-time jobs gives you edge basically once you done the graduation, and along with that it's basically teaches you like how important education would be, because once you like enroll yourself you are taking things casually, right? So that is the things after working I realized that education is something that will lead you to a successful person, and you can basically understand a lot complex thing in a very simpler way. So this is all about the cue card which I've.
I think what are the things which I can basically improve in this video, such as like my voice tone, because I feel like I'm just speaking not confidently. There is some sort of confidence which is required, and I cannot able to see that in my speaking, and there is some sort of things which is missing, and curiosity which is also very important, but that is also missing. I'm just thinking like over speaking on the cue card only. So yeah, there are multiple things which I need to find out and rectify it, and I need to improve. And yeah, for today's video, that is it. Because listening yourself, it is also a big thing if you are like learning. So understanding your decisions and your mind, that is also a very great thing, because we also need always need to basically uh, recheck our decisions which we have done, which we have made. So yeah, on today's video, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.